Are you searching for the best mirror dashcam? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mirror dashcams in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. OBDPEAK K2 2.0 Dashcam Rearview Mirror Dashboard Video Recorder. The OBDPEAK K2 2.0 Dashcam is a comprehensive smart rearview mirror system designed to enhance your driving experience. It features a UHD 3840x2160p front camera for clear, vivid footage, while the rear camera records at Full HD 1920x1080p. The 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen provides a responsive and intuitive interface, allowing easy navigation between the front and rear views. The K2 also offers built-in wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone and accessing maps, music, messages, and voice assistants. It also supports AUX output for seamless integration with your car's audio system. The external GPS logger ensures accurate tracking of your speed and route, making it ideal for driving records and trip reviews. The K2 also includes comprehensive DVR features such as G-sensor for automatic collision detection and emergency recording, loop recording, automatic white balance, WDR, wide dynamic range, anti-fog, and anti-vibration technology, H.264 video encoding, and support for video formats like TS and MP4. The dashcam supports wireless features like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing real-time playback, file transfers, and firmware updates. It also supports microSD/TF cards up to 128 GB, Class 10 required. The K2 is built to endure, featuring anti-surge voltage protection, waterproofing for the rear camera, and sturdy construction with anti-shock and anti-vibration mechanisms. It mounts directly onto your existing rearview mirror, keeping the interior clean and discreet. The K2 also offers multilingual support, with a user interface available in over 10 languages, making it ready for global use. The package includes the front dash cam mirror unit, rear camera, cables and accessories, and manual in multiple languages.